Dude, how I pulled off those crypto gains. It felt like I just tore the standard system wide open or something. Completely top tier. Felt like I stumbled onto some secret edge within the programming. You want to get the lowdown? Stay right here, because I'm revealing every tactic I utilized. I've dumped cash into so many meme coins that tanked overnight. Just vanished into thin air. Time wasted, tokens burned, the whole thing was a mess. But then I stumbled on this one approach, started doing it daily without skipping, and everything flipped. Now I'm making 10 times what I used to. What changed? It's all in staying consistent. I'll walk you through how I've got this set up. Alright, I'm dropping the full playbook in a sec, but before we dive into all the fun, we've got to get the foundation right. No shortcuts here. If Pump.Fun is your go-to platform for this, you need to know it's got a bunch of red flags. That's the first thing we need to lock in before doing anything else. Fire up Photon and throw on the Pump.Fun filter. You'll start spotting fresh meme coins dropping almost constantly. The catch? Most of them crash right after launching. That's because Pump.Fun makes token creation way too simple, so the platform ends up overloaded with trash coins nobody really backs. Now check out the filter on Raydium. Look real close at what's going down there. That predictable token flow? Totally on purpose. Just about 1 token per minute pops up, which keeps things way more controlled. You'll see the liquidity is locked, charts are super solid, and trading volume is climbing fast. It all functions like this because only committed developers get approved. That's the whole reason for rolling with this route. Hang tight. I'm going to explain everything fully, for real. This is a total cheat code. LaunchTool made launching tokens stupid easy. You don't need dev skills at all. Seriously, even someone's nana could figure it out. Just 3 clicks on Raydium and boom. You're live. I've been running this strategy non-stop and the profits? Kinda insane, not gonna lie. Okay team, here's the plan. We're going to use Canva for our logo design. Trendy or personal style, totally your choice. I found a good image by looking online. Lately I've been using the Telegram stickers of Jane Doe, a character from Zenless Zone Zero. I really like that character, so I'll base my coin on her. That's my direction for the moment. Now, when Canva's loaded up, drag your logo onto the canvas and size it to exactly 128 by 128 pixels. Keep it locked there. If anything looks off, tweak it real quick. Once it's looking clean, hit save and you're done. Fast and simple. Okay, it's time to get moving. Head back over to launchtool.io now and hook up your Phantom wallet, just like I'm flashing on screen. When it asks for your token details, make sure you put Jane D coin as the name and Jane D as the symbol. You can add a description if that's your vibe, but I'm going to bypass that bit for now. After that, upload that killer logo you designed on Canva and smash next to roll on to the next step. Make sure all the decimals and coin values stay untouched. No changes needed there. When you're good to go, click next and let's continue. Verification will necessitate expending 0.1 Solana. Determining its value is entirely at your discretion. As for me personally, I am protecting my holdings fiercely. I am not spending even a single Solana on this. Press that skip button and continue forward. Adding your social media might help with a little more traction, but it's totally optional. Raydium takes care of all the linking behind the scenes. Just smash that skip button and let's keep it moving. Focus your attention right here. Altering these security configurations is absolutely not permissible. You could potentially save 0.3 Solana by turning them off, but believe me on this, you will definitely deter potential investors. Any credible investor is going to check if freezing and minting are locked. If that's not the case, you are essentially conveying that you are untrustworthy. My suggested step? Ensure those settings remain activated and hit that Launch My Token Now button with conviction. Hold up for a second. Alright, now go ahead and wrap up that transaction in your wallet. Just one quick tap. Give it a few seconds to process and then, boom, your token is live and ready to roll for trading. Checked out the token on SolScan and it's all clear. This thing's totally legit and cruising on Solana. No warnings, no issues, just pure blockchain goodness. Okay guys, this is the moment to initiate action for this token. Return to LaunchTool and select the Create Liquidity Pool button. That action will send you immediately to Raydium, which is where we will create the liquidity pool. Let's go for those substantial profits. Time to take your meme token to the next level. Head over to LaunchTool and copy your contract address, then pop it into Raydium. Now go with Jane D for the symbol and name it Jane D coin. Once that's done, hit Add User Token to lock it in. Now on to liquidity. If you've got 1 billion tokens, toss 900 million into the liquidity pool, for real. And when it comes to the trading pair, make sure it's Solana. It's the network's go-to crypto, super important. Hit max for your Solana, then manually deduct 0.2 Solana. That buffer helps take care of network fees. A 2% fee is the way to go. It sparks interest from investors without overwhelming them. Okay, we've reached the moment we've been working towards. Go ahead and click the Initialize Liquidity Pool button now. Your wallet is about to request permission. This is the key transaction. Just approve the request that pops up, wait a few seconds, done. Your token is now officially listed and ready for trading. Launch Photon now, set the filter for Raydium, and keep a lookout. Your freshly launched MemeCoin should be immediately noticeable, quite clear. The instant you spot it, you will know it is officially active and ready for trading within the market. So now proceed back to Launch Tool and ensure with absolute certainty that you have secured the precise address for your coin. Now, navigate to Deck Screener, execute a search for any coin that is currently listed, and following that, you can either swap the address situated in the website link with yours, or simply search specifically for your coin's name. And just like that, your coin's chart will be presented, looking perfect, rather straightforward to analyze. Getting in at this point sets you up to collect profits from every single price shift. For OG holders, being in the red isn't even a real concern. It's laughable. Just hold tight and watch your balance grow nonstop. Check the charts. There's a bit of early movement starting up. That rapid action? It's mostly bots bouncing around, totally normal. The real show begins once a whale places a big order. Until then, relax. This is just how brand new tokens behave. Okay, everyone. It's been 9 minutes since we started creating the coin, and we've received a couple of good payments. One for $44 and another for $51. That's a positive sign. You can also see that the market cap and liquidity are holding steady. Let's wait a little longer. We are doing well. Okay, as you can observe, merely moments ago, we obtained a very favorable purchase of $111, approximately 0.7 Solana. The crucial aspect is to witness that the market cap and the coin's liquidity appear positive. Furthermore, other acquisitions and divestments have occurred. But this is all constituent of the procedure. Let's continue waiting. Observe here. We can see an additional favorable purchase at $141, nearly 1 Solana. The liquidity and market cap appear quite positive. It has been approximately 13 minutes since we established the coin. We are required to proceed with prudence. Consequently, for the current moment, it is time to recover our liquidity. I'll teach you the step-by-step. Okay, first things first, connect your creator wallet to Raydium, straightforward stuff. Following that, click on Portfolio and move into that section. Choose the standard option, and your coins should be visible without delay. If they aren't there instantly, there's absolutely no cause for concern. Allow around 10 to 15 minutes, especially if the liquidity was only just established. Once it is visible, hit the tiny minus button to withdraw everything. Pick Solana as the currency, approve the transaction, and just like that, you are set to proceed. You should be able to see it now. The confirmation message just came through, meaning your liquidity's back in your wallet. Now just head over to your wallet and check out the final numbers. As you can see, the process is complete. This strategy is generating substantial financial gains, and the best part, you can repeat it over and over again. This approach is honestly starting to gain traction. The opportunity is massive right now, and if you maintain focus, you could achieve substantial success. To be clear, this material is purely for educational purposes. I have no sponsorship from Raydium, Photon, or Launch Tool. Should you need more information or wish to conduct your own research, consult the description and pinned comment. All necessary resources are there.